Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood is a 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one comes with front and rear LED daytime running lights. Up front here we do have a illuminated star at night. That star lights up. 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Come around back. We've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a fresh set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with blind spot assist. Inside here, this one also comes with the Premium 1 package, which will give you Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance. Also included is the multimedia package, which comes with navigation, a rear view backup camera, our hard keys and radio, heated seats, dual climate zone, cup holders, our command controls. This vehicle has 43,176 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA, check out feldmanimports.com.